and welcome to our apartment. This will be our first official apartment tour and the last one because we are moving, so come on in. So first we're going to talk about the entryway. I initially had plans to put tons of photos and black frames and do it all cute, never got around to it. So right now we just have this mirror and a little entrance table. Nothing too exciting. Let's go ahead into the master bedroom. So in here, my lovely boyfriend has let me display my purses because I think they're too pretty not to be on display. Okay, so when I was thinking of this bedroom, I really wanted it to just be neutral, calm, and just a relaxing place to be. So I went with like neutral tones. So over here, I have a clothing rack because I have a lot of clothes. I found these lovely, beautiful nightstands. Oh, like I said, I just redecorated. So half the stuff still has tags on it, but now I'm gonna return it because we are moving and I don't wanna bring all the stuff with us. I just wanted it to be really calm and I felt like I accomplished this and I was just very, very excited.
And now you get to take it all apart and start over again somewhere.
Exactly. Fun.
And then this is our closet.
Oh,
well, it's actually technically
Sawyer's closet.
It's my closet, and it goes way down there.
And then over here, I tried to make our hats a little bit more of a art piece. We had so many hats that I had no idea what to do with. So I tried to make it a thing on the wall so that way it looked like it had a purpose and much easier to store that way. So highly recommend it. All right, moving on. In here we have the bathroom. I kept the vibe very similar to the pictures behind the nightstand, as you can see. And there is nothing too special about this bathroom. It's a very, very small master bathroom. Yeah, nothing exciting about here. Just have a bunch of beauty products shoved into that closet. Let's move on. We are going to go into the kitchen. This is our kitchen. It is very, very small. If I were you, I would never recommend black countertops. You see everything and it's annoying. One thing I did do in this kitchen is actually get a backsplash, but a little trick for apartments is it's actually just a sticker. So there's a little tip there. And then we just have all of our memories on the fridge. Nothing too crazy. I just love when people come over here and they just look at our photos and they just get to see a piece of our memories. It's just something that's really special. So I don't know if we're gonna do that in the new house. Maybe we'll find another spot for all these photos.
Polaroid wall.
Ooh, a Polaroid wall. Polaroid. You get it.
You gotta be able to pronounce it to have it.
Maybe not. But yeah, this is our kitchen. I'm just very, very, very excited to have a kitchen island, a little coffee nook, a little everything. There's even a wine fridge. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But yeah, we've made do with this. In here, we have our laundry room, and this has been a godsend. I've wanted a laundry room for so long. I have storage on this side. I have a full washer and dryer, and yeah. Now in our new house, our washer and dryer is outside because that's what they do in Hawaii. So never had that before. I'm from Utah, so we're gonna figure that one out. Moving right along. And here is our living room. I got our shelves from IKEA because I knew we wouldn't be staying here, so I just wanted something simple. We have this gorgeous mirror that came from Sawyer's apartment. This sadly is not coming with us. We cannot travel with this, it's just too big. And then in here, we have our living room. Now, I'm obsessed with this. I've just finished the living room. We got a beautiful gray couch. My intention was to get tons of photos, or not tons, 3 big photos that Sawyer has actually taken from our travels to put over the couch to fill up the space. Never got around to it, so I guess we'll put those photos in the new house. And moving right along. Sawyer's gonna take over for a second.
I've been put in charge since this is my little section of the house. Come on into my music nook. It's just a really weird side part of the house, like a little hole. And I didn't know what to do with it for a long time. Then I was like, holy crap, I can make this into a music nook with a massage chair. So there's that. But I just got like all of my favorite guitars, kind of a music nerd, in one corner with an amp and a keyboard so people can come over, play music, just get creative. It's really nice for when you're not working. But when I'm not in there, it means I'm working and I'm here in my office, which is something I'm really gonna miss because it took me forever to get a backdrop for my videos. I got it and now I gotta leave. And then this is my famous camera corner of like just a stupid amount of camera gear that we use. All of it. We use all of it. But it still looks quite ridiculous behind us. And that's really it. We have views of the ocean from literally every room. Life's not bad, but now we gotta leave it behind. So I'm gonna show you Angelique's room. Here, I'll take her.
Cool, thank you. So this next room is actually our guest room / my filming room / my closet. My closet has actually expanded. I need to get rid of like half my closet, so be sure to keep an eye out on Poshmark because I am not kidding you, half my closet is going online, so if you want it, grab it because I gotta get rid of it. So in here,
that's just an extra bathroom.
At this moment, my office is kind of acting like a storage room. We have things to return. We have old lamps that were in the master bedroom. We have my filming lights. We just have my storage where I keep all jewelry and sunglasses, tons of sunglasses. And here we have Sawyer's mom stuff because she's helping us move. And here is my closet, which is jam-packed. I cannot fit another thing in here if I wanted to. So, like I said, it's all going on Poshmark, so be sure to check that out. We got tons of shoes down here. I'm gonna be so sad that I have to get not be able to wear my boot collection as much. I got tons of boots, so I'm definitely just gonna pick my favorites and bring them with me. Yeah, that's my closet. Nothing too crazy in there. This is my filming set. A lot of you guys thought that Sawyer and I actually had separate bedrooms. We don't. Like I said, this is the guest bedroom and my set. So you guys are very, very used to seeing this. This is my office area, my cute little white desk. Very, very simple. Again, had another intention to do a whole like collage wall with really cool like fashion photos. Didn't happen. Maybe the next one. And over here we have a display that I never finished either. So that was a work in progress. And then my pride and joy.
God, yeah.
This one I'm gonna have to.
Your camera closet.
My camera closet, yes.
This is her makeup.
This is literally just drawers and drawers of makeup and products. I'm now gonna have to go through them, but I'm gonna bring most of it with me. Then we have beauty products all the way down here. And then over here we have my giveaway section, which is going to get even bigger because like I said, I really have to narrow down what we bring to Hawaii because we are shipping everything. So be sure you're subscribed, be sure you follow me on Instagram so that way you guys do not miss a giveaway because there's gonna be a lot of them. But yeah, that's it.
It's our whole apartment that we've lived in for 4 years and haven't made a video about. We're sorry, but we'll do it better in the house.
Oh yes, we will. Yes, we will.
Yeah.
We will be doing so many like home improvement, so many home decor. I have so many great ideas. I cannot wait to show you guys. I've been online shopping every day since we found out that we are moving there. So you guys just wait. The home decor section of my channel will just go crazy. I'm so excited. But yeah, that is it. That was our home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this unfinished home.
That will never be finished.
That will never be finished, but I wanted to show you guys what we did have here in our little special apartment. So we had the memory. This is our first apartment together, so it's really, really a special place for us. But now we're on to our next chapter. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Angelique actually forgot one thing, one major piece of the apartment, our view, which is the whole reason we moved here.
This actually is the whole reason we moved here. He tried to convince me to move to the beach, and when I saw this, I was like, all right, I can do it.
Not too bad.
Nope, this is somewhere where we love to come out at night. We have a glass of wine. Sawyer likes to paint. I join in every once in a while. And then our dogs, they absolutely love it. They sunbathe in a little section because we only have sun for like an hour. So Hitch always comes out here and sunbathes. And Ollie sits on the chair. And this is just our little peaceful nook outside in our castle in the sky.
Now you've seen everything.
Now you've seen everything.
Yeah.
Now go home.
Now you've seen everything. Go home. We'll see you guys in Hawaii.
Ah, we're going to Hawaii. Okay, bye.